Do you know Dokdo? Which country's territory of this island? No one will disagree with the fact that this island is the land of Korea. But how much do you know about Dokdo? Instead of simply claiming the right to the proposition of our land, we have to study practical knowledge. So, why Dokdo is Korean territory? I want to tell the historical evidence that show that the fact that Dokdo is Korean. History know the answer. 삼국사기 proves that the ownership of Dokdo in Korea. It said this is about 1,000 years ahead of Japan's record. Then, what story will Japanese history tell? In 1690, 1696, Japan acknowledged that Dokdo is Korean territory. They said Korean fisherman An Yong-bok get acknowledged from Japan that Dokdo is Korean land. Then what does the history of the world tell about this problem? In 1737, Danville of France emphasized Dokdo as territory of Joseon dynasty at Joseon 왕족전도. And since 1945, the UN military said Dokdo is Korean Air Defense Identification Zone as Korean territory. The important thing is the fact that Korean history, the history of the world, and even Japan history point in the same direction. To defend and protect Dokdo, what would you do?